Jai Vasavi, Jai Gurudev. My name is Palak. I am studying in 782. Environmental impact of modern agricultural practices. Modern agriculture is an involving approach to agricultural innovations and farming practices that help farmers increase efficiency and reduce the number of natural resources like water, land and energy necessary to meet the world food, fuel and fiber needs. Agriculture is an important source of livelihood because it is the process of producing food, fat, fiber and many other products by cultivation of plants and the raising of domestic animals, livestock. Environmental impacts of agriculture. When farming operations are sustainably managed, they can help preserve and restore critical habits, protect watersheds and improve soil health and water quality. But when practiced without care, farming presents the greatest threat to species and ecosystem. Effects of modern agriculture. The top fertilized soil of the farmland is removed due to the excessive water supply. This leads to the loss of nutrient-rich soil that hampered productivity. It also causes global warming because the silt of water bodies includes the release of soil carbon dioxide from particular organic material. Farming. Terrace farming is a technique of farming whereby steps known as terraces are built on the slopes of hills and mountains. Whenever it rains, instead of rain carrying away the soil nutrients and plants down the slope, they flow to the next terrace. Every step has an outlet that channels the water to the next step. Pollution due to fertilizers. If increased nitrate content in the food and feeds is too high, it can cause poisoning in children and livestock. Long-term application of fertilizer can cause rivers, lakes and coastal pollution, water resources nutrition and soil structure destruction. Landsliding. A landslide is defined as the movement of mass of rocks, debris or earth down a slope. Landslides are type of mass wasting which donates any downslope movement of soil and rock under the direct influence of gravity. Thank you.